So guys, we have finally reached Kovalam Beach, which is around 30 or 40 kilometers from Chennai. So tomorrow we'll go for Mahabalipuram. Actually, the plan was to go to Mahabalipuram today, but there is a surfing happening in this beach, so I thought I would stop and give it a try. So basically I would like to give a try for the surfing, but I don't have that many of bucks. So he's saying he's charging 1500 for 90 minutes, and he'll also teach you in the same time. I would like to do it badly, so I'm saying my room money for the surfing. So that's why tonight I am sleeping in the car. As you can see, I just parked my vehicle beside the beach, so I'm getting nice flow of air so that there are no mosquitoes over here. And I also parked my vehicle in the nearby the surfing school area, so that there is aspect of security also here. I hope that's a good plan, guys. Hope everything goes fine. By the morning I'll update you in the morning. So that's it. It was a beautiful day. Hope you guys are also having an amazing day. Good night. Keep moving. Guys, I just now woke up. So see what's there. It's a surfing. It's quite in front of me. Whoa, that's cool, guys. Let's go and try.